Welcome! In front of me I have Polar A370 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this Smartband. First, let's press the side button on our Smartband to wake up the screen on it. To do it, simply find the button. It's located right here on the left side of the device. Press it to wake up the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can use the touch screen. Basically, you can swipe up or down on it to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, scroll down and find the power off option. Looks like this, the power off icon. Tap on this option and then tap on the check mark to turn off the device, basically confirm and turn off the device. And after a couple of seconds, the Smartband should turn off. And that's how you turn off this Smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.